Well, this is Lenovo Thinkpad X250, you can see, and I'm going to upgrade SSD and RAM on this laptop. So for this, remove the external battery by unlocking the two locks at the sides, and then we have to remove those 8 screws out of the laptop. First we need to open these locks, and we have to be very careful. And I'm using guitar pick for this. And finally, we have removed the outer cover, and there you can see hard drive, battery, internal battery, RAM, the wireless module, the fan, CPU, and now I'm going to remove the hard drive. And first we need to unplug the battery cable. We should remove this first. First we have to remove this SATA connector. And one screw is there. And I'm going to remove the hard drive holder. And it's made from rubber material. So here I have Kingston SSD of 240 GB space, and I'm going to install it instead of the hard disk. So I need to keep it under the rubber case. I think there is some problem. Okay, I'll fix it now. So again, that is screw. Connect this cable with the SSD. And here is the RAM. Okay, you can remove in this way, and this is of 8 GB DDR3 RAM. And if you have other higher capacity RAM, okay, just install it. And we've got only one slot for RAM, and that's pretty bad. And again, connect the internal battery cable in the motherboard. So it's time to hit a cover. Need to tie the screws. And I'm going to boot the laptop, and I already got Windows 10 on that SSD. I'm going to check whether it works or not. Okay, the Windows is loading. So friends, this was for today. I hope you like this video, so please like and share this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thanks for watching.